video is brought to you by marvelouslightservices.com and christianhomemaking.co.uk. This is a refrigerator tour of my refrigerator. So, come on. So, here's my refrigerator. Welcome. Here I keep leftover dinners. So here I have vegetarian shepherd's pie that me and my daughters made. Vegetarian mock, or it's called mock duck. Some leftover plum tomatoes. Leftover soya chunks. Stew. I have some tomatoes. Broccoli. Oops. More broccoli. Celery. Romaine lettuce. Oops. More lettuce. Rice greens. I think it's mostly kale. I have some freshly spinach and half a cucumber. Oops. I have cherries, strawberries. Here I have some butter, soya butter, some carrots that I've already peeled. I've got lots of box juices for the kids, another juice for myself. Here we got some water, still water. 1, 2, 3 pure orange juice, apple juice, apple juice. On the next level we have some soya milk just in case, some more tomatoes, mayonnaise, smooth peanut butter, barbecue sauce, mayonnaise. That's my ketchup. Almost finished, but I've got some more in my cupboard, in my pantry. Some olive pate. This is quite good on bread and toast. Some more butter that I haven't opened yet. Non-alcoholic wine. Yep, white grape and mango. Some bread. Ooh, more non-alcoholic wine. And ooh, what's this? This coconut oil. I mostly use that for my hair, but because it's summer, I've got to keep it refrigerated. Okay. We're mostly vegetarian, but well, we're pesco vegetarian. We still eat fish and eggs. So I've got eggs up here. This nettle infusions that I made for myself. Rice milk that I made. Creamed coconut. More creamed coconut. 3 jars of more rice milk that I make. Maybe I'll do a video on that real soon when I get a chance. Guava jam, sliced beetroot, lemon juice, smoothie. I make my smoothies with almond milk that I make, or the rice milk that I make. It depends which one I have on hand. But yeah, that's some leftover smoothie that I had this morning. Some more soya milk. So I wanted to show you my freezer. And I got 4 slices of bread, brown bread, ice. That shouldn't be in there. That's in the wrong place. That's my vegetarian corn pieces. These are smoothies that I make and I freeze them for the kids. As it's summertime, the kids love it. Down here, I've got frozen vegetables. So frozen mixed veg, frozen chips, oven chips, frozen potato gratin, more frozen mixed veg, fish down the bottom. So at the moment we just have fish fingers and haddock. Then I have another freezer. So in here we have 2 bags of vegetarian mince, 2, 3, 4 bags of Lincolnshire style sausages, chicken style pieces. It's all vegetarian, by the way. Up here I've got Aunt Bessie's honey glazed roast parsnips, Yorkshire puddings, oops, meatball style corn pieces, more Lincolnshire style sausages, more roast parsnips, another potato gratin, and this. There's nothing in it, but I'm just saving it because we wanted to buy some more of it, but we can't work out where we bought it. And down here below we have frozen strawberries, frozen tropical fruits, so mangoes, peaches, mandarin, grapes, kiwi, pineapple, for my smoothies. And this one is just summer fruits, so you got blackberries, raspberries, black currants, red currants, and basically I just add this to my smoothies in the morning. And 1 lone ice lolly. That's my bread machine fruit bowl, in case so the kids can reach them. So I've got bananas, apples, green apples, red apples, oranges. There was a plum in here earlier, but I used it to make my smoothies, and just whatever fruits are in season. So I just want to thank you guys so much for bearing with me, and sorry I haven't made any videos recently because because I lost my other video camera, and 2, I've been doing lots of home improvements around the home. And this is the biggest surprise. I'm expecting our 4th baby, due October 2011, so please pray for me. And I just want to say hi, and may God bless you guys as you make your homes a place where angels can dwell. Thanks for watching.